In this video, I will be showing you how to edit your Showit website. Go to your Showit account. If you don't have a Showit account, click the link in the description. I have a 30-day free trial. After you sign up to Showit, you want to go to edit my website and create a new design. Add design to library, and you want to enter in your key code. Add design, and it will come up. Start with this design, and now you want to go to your designs, and you'll see it right here. Okay, so once you're signed in and you have your website, you can change your preference from light mode to dark mode. We're gonna do dark mode today. This is how you can move around your view so you can see the desktop and the mobile. If you want to just have a desktop or mobile, that's how you do that. I like to see both at once. You can zoom out. Click on this to zoom out or zoom in. Click on this one to zoom in. And this is the site settings. So this is where you go in and you name your site, your brand. You enter your language. This is where you're going to connect your domain. And once you connect your domain, that will be the URL. So you want to save that. Then we have the design settings. This is where you go in and you change the color palette to your brand colors. You can change the fonts if you want to use different fonts. You just search for the font you want. These are Google fonts. And then you save it. And this is the media library where you go and you upload your images. So we're going to start with the home page, and we're going to go into the page settings. So we're going to start from the top, and this is the announcement bar where you can go in and write the announcement that you want your announcement bar to have. If you don't want to have an announcement bar, then you want to just hide this whole announcement bar. You can hide it on just the mobile or just the desktop. This can link to somewhere. This is a click action, so this right now is going to my website, but you can just take this off. Or you can have it link to somewhere on your website. So if you want to have it to go to your shop page, then you can tell them like, hey, get 20% off your order. And then they go here and they will go to your shop page. The next section is the menu. And this is a site canvas. So when you change this, you click inside, and when you change something in here, it changes on each page, which makes it easier for you because you don't have to go to each page and change this every time. You can just change it one time and it will link to all of the pages. So this goes to the home page, the collection page, and the contact page. If you want to change your logo, then you would just ungroup this. If you have a text-based logo, then you would just write your logo in here. Or if it's a text with an image, then you would just swap that image out and it will look something like this. Make sure that when you do upload your logo, that it is horizontally locked to the left. When you horizontal lock it, it stays over here. If it's not horizontal locked and you go to your home page, You go on a desktop, it'll move wherever it wants. So make sure that you lock it to the left. The menu, when someone clicks on this navigation menu, is going to take them here and then they exit out. So do not delete this section. It's going to be down here at the end. It is called the mobile menu. Do not delete this. Only thing you should be doing is changing the names if you want to change the names. But other than that, keep everything intact so it can work. And it's on each page, so you want to make sure it stays on there. And also put in your social media links. You will get your Instagram link and go to URL and link your website. Next, we have the hero section. This is already ready for you. All you would need to do is just, if you are not using this video, which this is an AI video that I made, so you are free to use this on your website if you want. If you want to change the video, then you would go to click on this, and then you could swap out a video, or you could decide to just do an image, and then you would just put the image there. This is already linked. It's going to your product page. So that's all you need for that section. Okay, for this section, we are going to start linking our Shopify products. So for now, this is the Luxe one shoulder top. So we are going to go to Shopify and add the product to our Shopify products. Remember, for this Showit time Shopify hybrid website, we are using Showit for the design and we're using Shopify to process our payments. So we only need the Shopify starter plan, which is $5 a month, just to upload our products, and Shopify is going to process the payments. So I added that product, and we're going to use this image. So you're just going to swap out that image, and then we are going to link this product. So this is the Luxe one shoulder top. So we're going to go back to, this is the product page, and we're going to just go to the buy button. You can get this buy button in the Shopify app store. Just download it if you don't have it. And we're going to go to the product that we just added, and then go to next and copy this code. And you want to delete this, add element, gonna embed code, and you're gonna paste that code in right here, and that should come up. Now you want to crop it so you can see everything. Crop it on both sides, make sure they're all in the same place. And then now this is your product page. So this is Page's Deluxe Top. You can name it whatever your product is. We're gonna go back to home, and we're going to make this click action Deluxe Top. So when they click on view product, they're going to this page. And make sure to press publish. So you're just going to do that same process for each product. If you have more than 4 products, then all you have to do is duplicate that section, take this off, and just keep it going. Change the picture out, change the name out, and link it to your new product page. So if you need more than 4 product pages, then you would just go to one of the pages and duplicate it and name it, and then add that product. Okay, and for this section is linking to your shop page, which is Shopify shop, and it's going to have all of your products here. Once again, you can do the same process if you have more products. So this is your collection page, or your shop page. Right here, you are going to swap out your images right here. So upload your images, and then you can save it and upload it to here. This is taking you to the about page. For here, you want to embed a code. I use Flowdesk. You can use whichever platform you want. And you're just going to be embedding a first name, email address, and button. Let me show you how to do that. This is the one I use right here. You want to have it go to a section, and I just delete this, add a field, first name, bring that up, and this is subscribe, get early access. You can put whatever you want, and then we're going to change the background color to transparent. We're going to get that embed code, copy this, we're going to put this page info right here, and then we're going to copy this and put this right here. Okay, so we have to move some things around. So first we have to actually hide these. Now we have to just bring it up. There we go. And then we gotta also do it on the mobile. And you can make the fonts different so it matches more with your branding. But I am doing this quickly just to show you the basics of how to do it. Okay, so we're gonna bring that up. So now, when someone signs up to your list, it actually, you click on it and it's actually gonna have them be added to your actual list on Flowdesk. You can do this on any platform, but I just use Flowdesk. For this section, if you want to change the wording, you would need to zoom out so you can see. Basically, this is just words that are sliding across the screen, and it's an animation and it's under slide, and I have it going to the right. You can change it to the left, you can do up or down, you can change the timing and the delays. You can also do other type of animations, but for this, it looks good as just a sliding animation. So in order to change it, I will go to Google Docs and I will write out, because it needs to be long just in case someone is on your site for a long time and if there's not any more words going by, then it's not really gonna make sense. So you want to make sure that it's pretty long. So I would just go to like a Google Doc and write out what you want to say, and then just copy and paste it here. And then once you copy and paste it, instead of going in and changing all of these, I just change one of them, and then I just copy this. And so for this one, if I change all of the text here, I don't want to have to go through that again. So I just paste that with the new text and just put that there and delete this one. So that's what I would do. For this, if this is above here, then you want to just stack this. You want to bring this stack order up one so it could go over that. Anytime something is over something, then you need to stack it. And you can always unlock, if you are not able to move an image or element, you want to unlock it. It could be locked by mistake or for a reason. And then when it comes to the other pages too, I would also just copy, I would just paste that. So say another section that has the marquee, like, let's see, this one. Instead of once again going through all of that again, I would just paste that same one that I added new text to, and I would delete this one. As far as the footer, you would do the same thing with a sign up form that you would make on Flowdesk or your email provider. And then these are already linked to the sites. You want to go in and add your social media link. Go to click action and then actually add the URL. So for example, Instagram, you want to go to your Instagram page and get the link and do URL and put that in there. You can open it as a new window or it'll take you there, but make sure to publish all of this. As far as the about page, it's pretty simple. You just swap out the image. The image is in the canvas background and you just swap it out. And for this, swap out these images if you want to use that. Okay, so for the shop, so for this section, it's going to be the same thing. This is going to be linking to your actual Shopify products. So everything we did on the home page, you would just swap out the image and just link this page to the actual product page. So we're going to go to this product page. This is the Luxe One Shoulder Top. And you would just change the name. And then we embedded the code earlier, so this is how it will look. You can change the text here. And then this would just link to the other products like it is. We have the contact page, pretty simple. This is already set up. So once someone writes in here, writes in the form and press send, you will instantly get it on Showit. Just go in and add in your information. And that is pretty much it. That is everything you need to know to customize this template. I so hope you love the template, and let me know if you have any questions below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.